Russia's President Vladimir Putin meeting with members of the organizing committee for Russia's upcoming Victory Day celebrations, which will mark the 70th anniversary of the Soviet Union's victory over Nazi Germany. Addressing those present at the meeting, Putin said attempts to rewrite World War II history have the potential to distort young people's understanding of the war. He explained his belief that the distortion of the war's history aims at stripping Russia of its status as a victorious country and is part of the larger agenda to weaken Russia's international and legal rights. Putin did not clarify who is behind such efforts, but he ordered the organizing committee to counter any such attempts.